What's going on, everyone? I'm gonna be showing you how to put the PCI side skirts on the RSX. When I was looking at videos on how to install this, I noticed that there wasn't any videos for the RSX. Pretty much everyone was putting them on Integras, and you know, what about the RSX? So that's what I'm here for, PCI side skirts. I already have one installed, but this is pretty much just gonna show you how to install both. I'm just gonna show you guys the walkthrough for the other side, which you could probably do for both sides. Really simple. Just pretty much says that this pretty much just it's like a flat sheet, and then each side you need to use 3 brackets, both sides for the end, one for the middle. This does install on the bottom of the frame. So normally, like, you see videos on Integras where they have like a little side thing sticking out. The RSX is not. It's just like a, you know, and this just drills into the bottom. Pretty much you use these screws. They have like their own lock washers. They're pretty strong screws, stainless steel. And then you get the washers and the Allen head bolts that bolt onto the PCI side skirt. When I first saw this, I thought these were like, I don't know, I just thought they looked a little bit different, but it's just like a flat washer. It's like actually made out of plastic. I thought it was gonna be like a metal washer. Now let's get to it. Alright, so this is pretty much how it looks on the car. Pretty nice. You do have the option of making it kind of come out or tuck in a little bit more, depending on how you drill it in. I decided to make it come out just a little bit so it matches up with the fender flare that I have. See how it like comes out and then matches that. Yeah, normally when it's all the way inside, it pretty much stays flush with the door. In the back, it's pretty much flush, but I kind of like the look of it being stuck out a little bit. Here's the little video for you guys. Yeah. So the way I would do this, or the way I do this, is I pretty much first tape it just on. I just use like regular blue tape. Pretty much the bottom looks it's just like this. That's what I meant. I did get hit right here, so I'm gonna have to adjust something there. You can see it. Maybe it'll help you guys too if you have the same situation, seeing me do it. But yeah, I'll see what I'll do. Alright, so now I pretty much have it taped up. I just kind of, this is how I kind of want it to. Alright. And then pretty much I'm going to attach this one in there. I'm going to show you how it's supposed to face. Let's see, try to get the angle on. So pretty much this is supposed to face like this, like downwards like that. And it pretty much, you line it to the hole on the PCI side skirt. Shit, there's a hole right there. See that it's aligning, and then pretty much see how it's lining up, and you see how the 3 holes that you're supposed to drill into. Pretty much that's how you do it. I'm gonna first bolt it on, just the skirt. I'm pretty sure the tape is strong enough. Here, give me one. Alright, so now I have this put on, and then the underside, this thing, pretty much trying to tape it. Sorry, it's kind of hard to record with just one hand. Pretty much just tape it, and then you're gonna drill into that with a 1/8 bit. Do not go any higher, just 1/8 bit. Pretty much just drill upwards. I have the car jacked up because there's not enough clearance, but yeah, pretty much just drill in with the 1/8 bit. There's 3 holes, 1, 2, and then this one which I have covered up. Pretty much that. I have this loose still, just to be able to like wiggle it around. But pretty much this is how it's gonna sit. Then you do the same thing with all the other ones. Alright. I'm just showing you guys the drilling process. It just drills in with the 1/8 bit. Remember that? No bigger and smaller. I'm not sure, it'd probably not fit the screw, but pretty much just drills in. Oh, got a little bit of wiggle. See, that's what I hate about drilling onto metal. Metal wiggles a lot. There it is. And there it is. Yeah. Pretty much same thing all around. Alright, so I pretty much got one drilled in, and I'm just gonna show you guys how this screws in. Hard. Same for the rest. Pretty much drills in, and then you feel it wanting to stop. I would say leave it partially out, don't tighten it all the way, because then once you tighten it, the other side does want to come out because of all the pressure on the other side. And then pretty much from here start drilling the other ones, and then same thing, put it here, and then drill here, and then put it here. Quick overview of how it looks. There you go, all drilled in, all screwed in. Yeah, very sturdy, very strong. You know, you don't have to worry about this falling off for sure. I mean, I wouldn't say you can stand on it, but that's pretty strong. Alright, so lucky for me, where it lines up to the hole is actually not where it's crushed in. So I actually kind of wish there was crushing, just so I could show you guys what to do. But I mean, this has a lot of adjustments. If it's like too low, you can flip it and then make it work this way, you know. But yeah, normally they always go like this with the tab facing down. Yeah, it all lines up. Okay, so I guess the middle portion did have something. See, this one does not align with the frame. There's like a big hole there. So what I ended up doing was actually drilling in a new hole right here on the bracket, and then just using that one as the placements for this screw. And the rest were just regular, just this one I had to move it more back. Yeah, pretty much the middle's already set up. Very sturdy. Yeah, all of them are on. Looks very nice. I really love how these look. Let me get you guys up further up. So there you go. Show you how to fit on the body. The car is raised up, hence the wheel gap. But there it is. Looks really nice. I guess the other side sticks out, like my fender sticks out a little bit more, but I didn't want to tuck it in to leave this like an awkward, like tucked in more than the other side. So I left it like the same, so there's a slight gap there, but that's because it's the same on the other side. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, keep in mind, yes, you can tuck it in more and then make this flush, make it all flush, you know? But I do like the look of it sticking out a little bit. So here's pretty much how the PCI side skirt fits on my whole car. See the angles. I am running a Seat West front bumper, so Max Racing hood. Oh, other side, we just get a good look. Well, you can't really see it that well on this side, but there it is. Voltex wing. It's actually a V-mount from the Evo 8, and I made it fit this one, and I think it looks really nice. But yeah, here it is. PCI side skirt. Really nice looking. I believe it looks really nice.